Good morning, students. So, students, yesterday we discussed about question set A, and as you know that the three sets A, B, C are similar. So that is why I will not discuss about B and C. But if you have any doubt or if you have any problem from the question set B or C, you can ask me. Okay, I must solve it, I must discuss it if you have any question. So at first, if you have any doubt of set B or C, you can ask me. Okay, or if you have no doubt, then I will discuss about square roots. So students, you can ask me if you have any question. Supriya Mahato said no doubt. Okay, Shreya said no doubt. Okay then, very good. So today we will discuss about square roots. It is the chapter 6 of NCERT book, and in R.S. Agarwal book it is chapter 3. Okay. So today I am going to discuss about square roots. So at first, what is square root? The square root of a number A is that number which, when multiplied by itself, gives A as the product. Okay, and it is denoted by root over of A. Okay, so this is the definition of square root. The square root of a number A is that number which, when multiplied by itself, gives A as the product. Okay, as for example, if we find root over of 12, then what will you do? So at first, I must solve it using factorization method. Okay, so there are some methods, that one is factorization method and another one is long division method. So I will discuss first of factorization method, prime factorization method. So at first you have to factorize 12. 12 is not a square root number, it should root over of 36. So at first you must factorize 36. Okay, so by using factorization method, you have to find the prime factors of 36 and write the factors under root. Okay, so here you have to choose some pairs. So here two pairs are there, and you have to take one prime factor from each of the pairs. Okay, so you have to take 2 and 3. So square root of 36 is 6. So I hope you understood. So if you have any doubt, you can ask me. I repeat once again that at first, if you want to find the square root of 36, at first you must find the prime factors of 36. Okay, and the factors are 2, 2, 3, 3, and here you can see that two pairs are there. One is 2 multiply 2 and another one is 3 multiply 3. Now if you want to remove this root, then you have to take one prime factor from each of the pairs. So here from this pair you have to take 1 2, and from this pair you have to take 1 3. Then 3 multiply 2 is 6. Okay, so 6 is the square root of 36. Okay, so no doubt, very good. So I will give you a math, you have to solve it and send me the answer. So find 1764. So students, find the square root of 1764 and send me the answer. Find the square root of 1764 and send me the answer, students. And also you must write the factors with your answer. Okay, that I can check that you calculate it. So you must write the factors with your answer. So solve it and send me the answer, students. Danish has sent that 42 is the answer, but Danish, you have to send the factors of 1764. Okay, so you must send me the factors. Shreya sent 223377. Yes, it is correct. So you have to take one prime factor from each of the pairs. So here you can see that there are three pairs, 2233 and 77. So I must solve it. So at first factorize it. So 1764 is 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 3 and 7 multiply 7. Now here three pairs are there, so you have to take one prime factor from each of the pairs. So we must take 2 multiply 3 multiply 7. So 42 is the right answer. Well done, students. I can see that maximum students have sent right answer. Very good, you have done well. So I must give you another problem. So next problem is find the square root of 1296. Find the square root of 1296. So solve it and send me the answer, students, with the factors. Solve it, students, and send me the answer first. Okay, Shreya has sent, but I must wait for more answer. Okay, so I can see that maximum students has sent the answer that 36 is the right answer and the factors are sent. But Shreya, you have written that 2 2 2 2 and 9 9. So 9 is not a prime factor. Okay, so you must factorize 9 also. Okay, so I must check that it is 36 or not. Maximum students has sent 36, so I must check it. Shreya, your answer is correct because there is a pair of 9 9. It is correct. It is not wrong, but you must factorize into its prime factors. Okay, so let's check. Yes, the prime factors are 2 2 2 2, 3 3 3 3. So here how many pairs are there? There are 4 pairs. Okay, and we have to choose one prime factor from each of the pairs. So 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 3. So 36 is the right answer. Very good, students, you have done well. Now get ready for the next one. I will give you another one. Find root over of 1024. I can see that all the students has sent right answer. Very good, students. Now find the square root of 1024 and send me the answer with the factors. You must send the factors because I want to see that you calculate it. Okay, I can see that 3 students has already sent, but Aditya sent with the answer. Very good. Okay, this is the correct answer. Okay, very good. So students has sent the right answer. Well done, students. Very good. So I must factorize it. So I can see that every student has sent that there are 10 2's. Good. So if we take half of the 2's, then we must take 5 2's. Okay, so calculate it. One, two, three, four, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 2's. Okay, so write it under root. So here how many pairs are there? There are 5 pairs. So we must take each one prime factor from each of the pairs. So we must take 5 2's. So if we multiply these values, we must get 32. Okay, so 32 is the right answer. Very good, students. Yes, 32 is the answer. Very good. So you have sent 32. Well done, students. Now you must solve this one. 6561. So find the square root of 6561 and send me the answer, students. After solving it, I will give you a word problem, okay, that you have to solve it. After solving it, I will give you a word problem. So solve it as soon as possible, students, and send me the answer with the factors. Send the answer, students, first. Wow, very good. Anup Kumar Yadav has sent and it is correct. Aditya, you have sent 2. It is wrong. Just check your calculation. Aditya, you made a mistake, so check your calculation. Mubasir sent 81, but Mubasir, where is the factors? You must write the factors with your answer. Yes, very good. Shreya, Aditya, you have sent the factors and it is correct. Now Aditya Yadav sent correct answer. Very good. Okay, so let's solve it. 6561. So we must factorize it. So at first we must divide it by 3. Again we can divide it by 3. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So there are 8 threes. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So there are 4 pairs. So we must take one prime factor from each of the pairs. So we must take the threes. So if we multiply these values, we will get 81. So 81 is the right, student. 81 is the correct answer. Very good, students, you have done well. Okay, so our next problem. Find the smallest number by which two 252 must be multiplied to get a perfect square. So solve it, students. Find the smallest number by which 252 must be multiplied to get a perfect square. So at first what will you do? At first you must factorize this number, that is 252. Okay. So 252 is equals to, so you must factorize 252. Okay, and write the factors, that is 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 7. Okay, and here we can see that, yes Hasina, you have sent right factors, and here you can we can see that there are two pairs, but 7 is not a pairs. Okay, so we must need a 7 to become it a pair. So 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 7 multiply 7. Okay, now it is a perfect square number. Okay, so write your answer. Therefore we must multiply 7 with 252 to get a perfect square number. Okay, I hope you understood, students. Now if you have any doubt, you can ask me. And it has a question with this, that find the square root of this number. Find the square root of the new number. So what is the new number? So new number is 252 multiply 7 . So 1764 is the new number, and you have to find the square root of this number. Therefore root over of 1764 is equals to, and you need not to find the factors of this number because it already has, here is the factors of this number, so you can write it. So 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 3 and 7 multiply 7. So 2 multiply 3 multiply 7 is equals to 42. So square root of 1764 is 42. Okay, so I hope you understood, students. Now I will give you a similar problem. Okay, and you must solve it and send me the answer. Okay, find the smallest number by which two 925 must be divided to obtain a perfect square. Okay, find the smallest number by which 2925 must be divided to obtain a perfect square. Now solve it and send me the answer, students. So one student has sent that 553311 and another one sent 553313. Satyam sent 15 is the answer. So I must check that what is the right answer. So there are different answers has came, so I must check it. So at first you must factorize the number, that is 2925. So you can divide it by 5. Again we can divide by 5. Now we can divide it by 3. So 2925 is equals to 5 multiply 5 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 13. So here you can see that two pairs are there, but 13 is a non-pair number. So to make it a perfect square, we need to remove 13. Okay, I repeat once again that to make it a perfect square, we need to remove 13. So that is why we must divide this number by 13 to make it a perfect square. Now write the answer. Therefore, we must divide 2925 by 13 to make it a perfect square number. Okay. Now also you have to find the square root of the new number. Therefore the new number is equals to, you must divide it by 13. So if we divide it by 13, we will get 2 to 5. Okay students, now the square root of 2 to 5 is root over of, here you can see that the prime factorization. So 5 multiply 5 multiply 3 multiply 3. So 5 multiply 3 is equals to 15. So 15 is the required answer. Okay. So I hope you understood students. Now if you have any question, you can ask me, or else I will end today's class. So I can see that already maximum students has sent right answer. Very good students, you have done well. So tomorrow we will discuss about long division method. Okay, tomorrow we will discuss about to find the square root by using long division method. Okay, okay students, so thank you. I am going to end today's class.